Hi, I'm Jeremy with The Window Experts, and we're making a video to help you identify where your window is leaking from and what the problem is. When windows leak, it could be a few different things. It could be a window problem, it could be an installation problem, it could even be a house problem. So we want to talk about those things. This is where most people start to see a problem. Let's say I'm on the inside of the house. This is my window stool, and they'll actually see water puddling up right here. And we've heard it so many times, my window's leaking from the bottom, it's just seeping up from the sill. Well, that's not correct. Water does not get under the window and seep up onto the sill. The water's coming from somewhere else. If it is a window problem, here's what you might see. When the glass is installed into the frame, it may have not got the proper seal. So in hard-driven rain and wind, it can come around the glass and be coming from the corner or anywhere from the glass to the frame. It wouldn't be a lot. It would be this little thin stream coming down and then puddling to where you first see it. So you'll want to inspect the window, touch around it, all the way around, inspecting the frame to see if you feel any water coming in. So if you got a bad installation or are having a house issue, this is the number one sign: wet sheetrock. If your sheetrock inside is wet, especially on top, then that's going to tell you that the window is really not the problem. It was a bad installation or a house issue that you have. So the reason sheetrock will get wet after a bad installation is because when they removed the old existing window and they damaged the drainage plane, they didn't do anything to restore it. So when they installed the new window, there's no seal. So water's getting around the window and damaging the sheetrock. So that's why when we install, we have this whole flashing process to how we restore that drainage plane, and that's how we're able to give you the leak-free guarantee. Here's a video of those details. So if you're a customer of ours and we installed your windows and you're getting wet sheetrock up at the top, it very well could be a house issue. Above the window on the exterior, sometimes it gets cracks in the brick, the vents that let the air out of the attic rot out, cracks in the siding. Water has gotten behind that veneer and it's coming down. So those are the ways that can help identify what the problem is with the leaking window. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know if we can help.